How to tell time in English. Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to tell time in English. It is a useful skill that will help you in your everyday life. Let's get started. At full hours. A clock is used at full hours. It means there are no minutes. It is 3 o'clock. It is 11 o'clock. It is 5 o'clock. At half hours. Half past expression is used when clock shows half hours. It is 2:30. It is 9:30. It is 7:30. At quarter hours. A quarter to and a quarter past expressions are used when clock shows quarter hours. It is 4:45. It is 5:15. Quarter to 5. Quarter to 3. Quarter to 7. Quarter past. Quarter past 9. Quarter past 1. Quarter past 4. AM and PM. Since the 24-hour time zone is not used in English, the hours must be divided into two, before noon and afternoon. For the hours before noon, we use a M.
Antemeridium.
For the hours after noon, we use PM.
Postmeridium.
Examples. It is 2 o'clock before noon. It is 2 o'clock after noon. How do we ask the time? We can use several questions to ask about time.
What time is it? What is the time? Do you have the time? Do you know what time is it? Can you tell me what time is it, please? Could you tell me the time, please? Do you happen to have the time? Have you got the right time? What time do you make it?
Answering the questions.
It's exactly or about or almost or just gone. Sure, it is 3. Sorry, I am not wearing a watch. 2:30. It is 4:20. It is 10 past 10. The time is 8 o'clock.
Great job, everyone! You've just learned how to tell time in English. Remember, practice is the key to becoming better at it. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro at telling time. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you found this lesson useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to ask. Until next time, keep practicing and have a wonderful day. Yay!